Okay, gang, this is section 2.2. This is number 31. I'm going to go over these questions that relate to this graph. So the first thing you want to recognize is what's calculus and what's algebra, okay? A and C is algebra. An algebra student could find those two answers. B and D are calculus. So you want to start, I think what happens is people start to think the symbols are like more sophisticated than they are, okay, and they're not. So this is simply asking, an algebra student could do this. It's saying when x is 1, what's f or what's y, right? So that's just the coordinate, right? So when x is 1, the coordinate is at 2, right? This is open, this is open, this is where the point actually is, all right? So actually, I take that back. An algebra student would understand this notation, but this graph might be too fancy for them. But I want you to recognize what's algebra and what's calculus because they're different concepts. That's what I'm trying to explain. They're different concepts. So this is asking, where's the point? All right, so the point is at 1, 2. So the answer for part A, when x is 1, y is 2. Right? It's the coordinate 1, 2. It's asking if I say x is 1, then y is 2. Let's go ahead and do C while we're at it, because it's the same concept. So C is asking when x is 4, what's f or what's y? So you have to go to where it's 4, and if you go here, there's no point here. So we'd have to say that this is what? This is undefined. Right, but don't make those two fancier than they are, okay? That's sort of like, the best analogy is the one I said at the beginning. Think of it as like if you were in algebra class. It's asking you where's the, if I give you x, where's y? All right, gang, now the other two are, this is calculus. And remember, when you do calculus, it's where are you going, right? So this is a two-sided limit going to 1. So you have to go to both sides of 1. So the height coming in from the left, you would be writing this function. You would be going to a height of a little above 3. Looks like 4, maybe approaching 4. To the right of 1, you would be approaching a height of 1. So the heights from the left and the right are not going to the same place. Okay, so like if you and your friend were trying to catch up, you would miss each other because one of you would be over here, one of you would be down here. All right, so this is a calculus concept. So it's asking for the two-sided limit, does the function approach the same value, right? And it doesn't. So for this, we're going to say DNE or does not exist. All right, and then for the last one, so this is calculus also. It's saying as I approach 4 from the left or the right. So you're going to approach 4 from the left side, you're going to head to here. You're going to approach 4 from the right side, you're going to head to here. So it's kind of like if you told your friend, okay, let's meet at the deli. So your one friend's like heading towards the deli. You're heading towards the deli. You're both heading towards the same spot. It's just what happens is when you get there, the deli is missing, but you're both approaching the same spot, and that's what's important. You're both approaching the same spot. So the limit to this one is a 2. You're both approaching a height of 2. All right, gang, I hope that helps clarify. All right, catch you. Bye-bye.